Thank you, Tori. I appreciate we are between you and happy hour. So I'm incredibly grateful that you're all here to hear about one of the most exciting developments within the Stellar ecosystem, and that is the launch of TPN, which is an instant payment network in Ukraine. And it's really unique for 4 reasons, which Ilhor will explain. But for me, it's really unique for 4 reasons. It's groundbreaking because it levels the playing field in Ukraine for banks. It lowers merchant costs, which will allow merchants to provide discounts to its consumers. It allows consumers better payment services across the board, as well as free peer-to-peer transactions. And the 4th one is that it provides transparency, traceability, and auditability for government and international donors in real time. So here to tell you more about the exciting launch of TPN is Ilhor.
Thanks, Paul. Thanks. And I'm happy to say that you are the strongest audience who stayed till the end, or you somehow connected to DSM. I'm happy anyway to present you the transparent network. And my name is Ilhor. My role is head of product at DSM, and today introduce you the transparent network of instant and transparent payments for Ukrainian and Ukrainian business. In collaboration with Ukrainian National Association, together with Stellar Development Foundation, DSM as technology provider, are happy to launch the transparent network, TPN, the one of the world's first public blockchain-based payment network used by banks. This solution aims to modernize the way payments are made in Ukraine now by offering real-time, cost-efficient, and transparent payments for individuals and businesses. To understand the importance of TPN, let's take a look on the instant payment market trend. According to the projection, by 2027, 30% of all payments worldwide will be real-time. This shows the importance to implement real-time payments across the globe. If we look at European landscape, we see different level of adoption of real-time payments across different countries. And you see some names and market share on the screen. We also can't overlook Blik in Poland and Bizum in Spain. Those 2 also set high standard of real-time payments in their countries. If we take a look on the global map, there is a clear and powerful trend emerging. Across America, Asia, Europe, Australia, there are many successful instant payment providers that makes waves and establishing benchmarks for innovation and convenience in their countries. So it highlights the importance for Ukraine particularly to implement the similar financial infrastructure. Moreover, the key goal which we set for the transparent network is to adopt end users in Ukraine for high standard of financial services and particularly instant payments. So, welcome to TPN, the first Ukrainian instant payment network. Model is born from industry collaboration with 11 banks already on board and growing. We focus on what matters most, whether it's peer-to-peer, peer-to-business, payments from NGOs, government organization. We ensure the reliable performance every time. And such a model ensures that TPN is designed to meet diverse needs of our users. By leveraging the blockchain technology, particularly Stellar, and the technology of DSM, we ensure that every transaction is not only safe, but also fully auditable. What's important is that governed by bank, this project and working groups in business, legal, tech, marketing, operations, we provide the comprehensive oversight of all aspects of the network. Let me focus on core values of the transparent network. We provide the first real-time IBAN to IBAN payments in Ukraine. As Paul mentioned, with twice lower fees for merchants and absolutely 0 fees for individuals, TPN is not only fast, but also affordable, making daily payments more accessible to everyone. We have prioritized the user experience by implementing functionality of the transparent network directly into the mobile banking apps. So with intuitive and user-friendly interface, payments simple and straightforward for any kind of users, regardless of their technical experience. Priority as a security remains priority for everything we do. TPN uses secure banking channel combined with encryption and blockchain technology that makes TPN payments not only secure but also fully auditable. We also provide real-time payments for government organization and donors, ensures transparency and improves the efficiency of public and private donor project, which is super important nowadays for Ukraine, with potential over $500 million investment into our country. And indeed, TPN is designed to be universally accessible for all types of banking customers. So, few words how it works. Participating bank have direct access to initiate, sign, and validate payments in TPN. This direct involvement ensures that every transaction is proceeded properly and accurately. At the core of TPN is a unique approach to settlement, clearing, and payments. By using and leveraging blockchain technology, we ensure decentralization of the process. So banks can separately verify and validate transactional data in real time, eliminating the traditional reliance on single tech provider or tech operator. This decentralized approach is fundamental to TPN. Exactly. So TPN building blocks. They are our essential components which make this innovative solution functions. TPN consists of 3 fundamental layers. Each of them plays critical role in delivering instant, transparent, and reliable payments. Banking channel. This is first one where banks, as I mentioned above, have access to initiate an authorized payment by themselves. Second layer, informational value security. This is layer where we handle aliases database and data of our customers. By linking IBAN to phone number, we streamline the payments connecting individuals in businesses, whether it's inline shop or online sales. Our rule books and protocols ensure that every transaction, regardless selected bank or use case, performs reliably and accountably. And the third one is transactional and settlement layer, where the real transfer of fund happens. Also, due to in this transactional and settlement layer, all transactions are immutable, verifiable, and visible anytime. The real fiat transfer is happening by the already existing payment rails by Ukrainian central banks. And what keeps everything together, it's our share brand and transparent network, TPN. And here I make a pause to explain that probably the most important part of the project, it's a BizDev, it's a combine all banks around this project and spread this new approach on Ukrainian market to transparent and unified ecosystem. You probably know that, or may understand that the BizDev in fintech is same hard as in health tech, where a lot of regulations, where a lot of questions from the partners, whether it's safe, whether it's auditable, etc. So our key goal was to combine those participating banks in one union and convince them to create the single rules, the single approach, and play like as they set up this project. So I will focus also on the flagman use cases which we are now operating. First one is P2P, transactions between individuals. With absolutely zero fee, it's accessible to all customers. We designed together with participating bank the user-friendly interface, and together with our international alias system, which links, as I mentioned, IBAN to phone number, any kind of payment is super seamless and straightforward. Basically, banks already have such solution, but such a payment are made within walls of single bank. What we are doing, we are trying to build and already built national alias system where regardless the bank, customer send money without knowing banking account, without knowing IBAN, just input phone or use QR code or deep links generated by recipient. And also unified protocol helps us to build fully legitimate and performable transactions regardless use case and bank selected. As we speak about user interface, it's pretty straightforward and simple. So customer needs to go to his banking application, find the section dedicated to transparent network, initiate funds transfer, then he needs to input phone number or select it from the contact list, input amount, and send money directly to the receiver. And voila, in just a few seconds, payment is done, and the final settlement will happen between banks on the gross settlement basis the next day. Second flagmanship solution, it's e-commerce solution for merchants, for all type of merchants. If we speak about micro or SME merchants, e-commerce and vending merchant as well, we provide them a solution with QR code or deep links, which streamline the process directly from individual to the merchant. Simple solution, which allows merchants to focus on growing their businesses. Speaking about medium and large retail customers, we provide the same yet convenient solution with customized QR code and deep links. And for most advanced merchants, we provide embedded payments and financial solutions. Basically, this allows customers to integrate directly in their financial platform the functionality of transparent network and provide it together with other payment solutions. This is ideal for merchants who are looking for one-stop shop payment solution. As we take a look on, and I will demonstrate you later with one-minute video how basically e-commerce case works. But in 3 simple steps, customer needs to scan QR code, whether in physical shop or online. Then by QR code, customer will see and confirm payment. And directly after confirmation, via our interoperability DSM channel, merchant and bank of merchant will get notification that payment is processed. And the transparent network is about transparency, isn't it? So we empower transparency of the TPN by integrating the stellar TraceNet solution. Very effective and easy to use, powerful traceful tool, which helps donors, government to trace their funds and to be sure that all payments reach the intended recipients. So with this help, what we bring trust, we bring traceability to the Ukrainian market, and helps all kind of donors, public funded, private funded, to confidently navigate their financial commitments to Ukrainian economy. And a few words about benefits and capabilities of DSM. One more time, we are 100% compliant with local regulation, making the payments are fully legitimate to national legal landscape. Real-time payment processing, which makes the payment without any delay and fully accessible to every kind of customer. What's important also to mention, and I didn't spend too much on it, was that by leveraging the blockchain technology and DSM technology, we making micropayments feasible. You know that traditional payment system often overlook this type of payments as not profitable. With super low cost of stellar transaction, these payments can be feasible together with DSM. By leveraging technology, we also count that we may save up to 70% of operational costs of banks and merchants. Indeed, transactions with TPN can be fully programmable, and the customer can integrate the transactions directly in their payment flows. And full traceability of transactions. I guess I said enough that transparent network is about traceability and transparency of payments. And short intro of how basically e-commerce works. So on this video, there is a merchant named M-Ticket who sells online tickets for any kind of events and entertainment. So customer went on the website, select event, select seat, and out of possible payment methods, selects the transparent network. A QR code appeared. Customer needs to open and it's real application. Opens mobile phone, scan the QR code, and see the payment details of this particular order. Then he needs to confirm. A payment. Confirmation is done. You see amount is sent, and directly at that time merchant got a notification about success payment. Customer sees success screen on his laptop, and in this particular case, service as a ticket already ready to be released. So basically straightforward, very fast approach and way of payments that is provided by TPN. Few words probably. What's next? What's the potential of this solution? We see the huge potential by providing and spreading this spirit of transparency. First of all, across Ukrainian banks, to popularize this method, to collect more banks, more merchant, with them more end users to use this solution. And from other side, whether it can be reproducible for other markets, indeed it can. For any kind of markets where banks and market players want to utilize the blockchain technology, the DCM technology, to speed up the speed of transactions and to increase the traceability, increase the transparency of their payments, that's where DSM can help with this challenge. So I'm super happy to present you this. Thank you.
Thank you, Ilhor. I can't thank you enough for sharing what has been going on in Ukraine and with DCM. What they have built is incredibly groundbreaking. It is the first national instant payment system on a public blockchain, and enough can't be said. It is a solution that we think we can take worldwide. Many countries are in need of an instant payment system, and having an instant payment system operate on a public global infrastructure is huge. We have a few minutes. Does anyone have any questions? All right.
Basically, it's a long story. I guess, Paul, you also can share, the very root of the story when 2021 Stellar asked, and looking for such a solution in Ukraine.
Yeah. So Stellar has been in Ukraine since 2021. We worked with the Ministry of Digital Transformation as well as Tascom Bank on the use of blockchain for e-money. As a result of that research report, it concluded, not surprisingly, that blockchain is great for payments. The project has evolved over time to move away from e-money and towards what you guys have built today, which is an instant payment network on Stellar. But the advantage of Stellar is the fact that it's low fees. Part of the reason why DCM can offer low fees to both merchants and peer-to-peer payments is because of the low cost of transactions. For Ukraine, I think one of the interesting things is it operates on global public infrastructure. And in a country like Ukraine, where one may not be sure if the data center will be there tomorrow, this is a huge bonus for operational resiliency and recovery. All right, thank you, Ilhor, for the presentation.
Thank you.
We look forward to hearing more about the project in the upcoming weeks and months. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.